Today we're looking at putting new piston rings into this original Ruby. This one's built in the 1980s, has had a whole lot of use, so I'm doing a bit of reconditioning on it. And I'm fitting PTFE rings rather than the old graphite packing. So I've cut 2 strips of PTFE and I've trimmed them down so they're a nice loose fit on the piston itself. And then I've got to curl the ring round and get it to fit in the bore. So the strips have been cut just 3 times longer than the diameter of the piston, but they're still over length. And I'm going to make a little double slip joint to get it to seal all the way around. So get the ring in, and that'll give you an idea of the overall length required. And I want to cut it a bit shorter. So let's give that a try. So there should still be an overlap, but once I've got the ring in I can see how much overlap. There's a couple of mil there. I need to allow for expansion on the ring as well, so I'm going to cut a half joint. So I'm just going to show you how to cut the ends of these rings with a Stanley knife. It cuts quite easily. So that's making one step, and then the one to match it has to be on that side. So now I've got to cut off this bit. And then the two should go together like so. Then I'm going to wrap graphite string around the bottom of the piston until it comes up, so the PTFE is just standing proud of the top of the piston, like so, and then squeeze it back into the bore. So I've packed the graphite tight around the inside of the piston, and then I'm putting the ring on, and I've made myself a little ring squeezer. So that should hopefully hold it all together. Like so. Make sure the ring's right down in the groove. And then squeezing it up like so, and put him in the cylinder. Gently going to tap the piston into the bore. I put the taper pin back in the crosshead, so now when we push it along you can see the piston going up and down in the cylinder. So I've just got to clean up and refit the front buffer beam and the covers on the cylinders with their gaskets, and we're done.